Hello, good afternoon, everyone. So I'm Stan Larroque. I'm the founder and CEO of Lynx. We are based in Paris, France, not far from here. You can come and meet us taking just a train. And we had the bad idea to create our own headset. I'm a backup speaker, so Professor Sun from China was supposed to talk, but he couldn't get his visa. So I proposed to talk about optics and displays, but then I looked at the schedule and I saw that right after my talk, Carl was going to talk about the exact same thing with probably a bit more passion. So I will talk about different things. And I just want, you might not be very familiar with what we are doing because you're mostly speaking about smart glasses here, but we're making those bulky headsets. So that was our first product. That we built a few years ago now, and in just a few weeks we are going to reveal our second version mid-November. So can I have the slides? Sure. Okay. Cool. And we are building headsets for professional applications. So some of our customers are using it for playing video games and for entertainment, but most of our customers are using our mixed reality headsets for a lot of crazy things, and we have a different set of requirements and price points. And I will also explain why any other price point is currently impossible. So our headset has been our first version, even though we produced a very limited number of them, were distributed in various industries. So you see the guy on the right, he's strapped on his knees because it's actually a future astronaut from the European Space Agency, and we are training them in zero-G flights with the headset, which is pretty cool. But it's also used in defense and other various industries. The main two use cases for our headsets are remote assistance and training. And when you think about it, training is just like a serious video game. So we're on the other side of the spectrum, but we're using the exact same technologies. So that's our first product using a surgical block. And I have a picture from when I started this company now 7 years ago that I like very much. With the first prototype I designed myself when I had no employees and no customers, so I had no problems. This picture I like very much. On the right, this is the first prototype of the MR Lynx headset. Imagine that was back in the day where everyone was talking about HoloLens. So like people are like, oh, there is VR on one side and AR on the other side, and for AR, we're going to use waveguide and nothing else. And things turned differently, but at the time I pursued video passthrough, which is called passthrough today. And what I really like is that what my customers are doing, they've been dreaming of doing that for a very long time. And in that case, for 100 years. And those two pictures are showing that with pass-through, you can do things that you will never be able to do with optical see-through, which is completely doing blacks, for example. We have yet to see that. And also bringing back into visible light what is not visible. So they are basically almost doing the same thing, but probably people on the left died from the radiation of the setup very quickly after, probably. But there are many B2B applications where people are willing to pay more than just a few $100s because it solves very expensive and very difficult problems. So in this industry, this industry is driven by Meta, basically. Whether it's silicon carbide with amazing, 2.6 index to VR, and they're selling still, I don't know, like 95% of all headsets. I'm going to explain to you that there is success elsewhere, and we have to face it because in this room where you're all supplying technologies and IP for a market that doesn't really exist yet. There is, people usually refer to the Ray-Ban from Meta. They are a commercial success, but they are not a financial success. You have seen, all of you, the numbers that billions are being burned every month to sustain that.